Well, hello everybody. I'm Sifu Bodhi. Thank you for sharing your Qigong practice with me today. Well, today I wanted to have some fun with some beautiful spiraling visualization. And what we're going to be looking at today is DNA repair. And for so much of medical history, we thought a lot of disease and a lot of pathology was DNA, was in your genes. There was nothing we could do about it. And over the last few decades, we've actually learned there's a whole separate field, what's called epigenetics. So it's not at the genetic level. The epigenetics above the genetic level is how we express our genes. And these are the way we live. Things like how we move, how we eat, how we breathe, how we feel, how we think. All of these factors have an effect on how our body expresses our genetic code. So we're going to actually have some fun with our genetic code today. And if you can visualize that double helix, that ladder of DNA that's twisted, so you have this spiraling, double spiral moving through. And so today's program is all going to be about filling in any holes that may be any breaks along that spiraling ladder. So everything today is going to be beautiful, smooth, spiraling infinity symbols, or that horizontal figure eight. And we're going to smooth through any stagnations, any breaks, any malfunctions in that DNA strand, and bring us back into that parasympathetic state where it's rest, digest, and heal. So, as always, let's start as we always do with a few cleansing breaths. So step the feet slightly wider than shoulder width, bend the knees, tuck the pelvis, lift from the crown of the head. And now with me, take a deep breath in, visualizing gathering white light all around the body as you breathe in. And as you breathe out, pulling it down, filling your body, melting all tension down into the ground. In 2, and melt. In 3, and melt. In 4, and melt. And 5, and melt. Now I want you to walk your feet a little bit wider so we're nice and stable here. And we're going to start moving forward in space. And so we're going to be reaching, spiraling the arm, allowing your weight to shift back and forth. And I want you to visualize out in front, sliding down that double spiral, shifting your weight back and forth, breathing nice and easy, clearing any stagnations, filling in any breaks in that DNA strand. See yourself moving down that DNA strand, healing your body, breathing nice and easy, sliding down like you're sliding down a water slide. Breathe. Reach and turn, shifting your weight nice and easily back and forth, seeing yourself traveling horizontally down your own DNA strand. Just a few more. So beautiful. Now we're going to slowly transition into our figure eight, or horizontal figure eight. And I want you to pull through the Wei Qi field. I want you to feel it dragging off your arm as you push through Can you feel it pulling against you as you create that beautiful figure eight? Horizontal figure eight, that beautiful infinity symbol. Continue to shift your weight back and forth. Breathing nice and easy. Drawing that figure eight in the air. Visualize and focus your intention on smoothing any breaks and filling any holes in that DNA, any damage. Dedicate your practice to healing your genetics. Breathing nice and easy into lower dantian. Feel the pull, feel the wake of the energy as you pull your arms through the air. Feel it creating a wake of energy as it moves through the Wei Qi field. And now we're going to expand it. We're going to make this big circle. We're going to roll it all the way backwards. So twisting your body as you shift, rotating up around, shifting side to side. Now that double helix is all around you. Big spirals, smoothing, healing, clearing any stagnations, having that energy move. Dragging through the Wei Qi. All the time, seeing your own DNA structure, that beautiful twisted ladder, smoothing and clearing. Twist the body, make it as big as you can. Twisting. Shift your weight. Shift, feel the pull, feel that wake, pulling the energy through. Moving the body in beautiful spirals. Everything moves together. Just a few more. Breathing easy. Drag it through. One last time. Once we drag it back to the front, we're going to reverse direction. So now fingertips. We're going to go backwards in our loop around the back side. Arcing down, we're going to loop in front on the left. Loop in front on the right. And that's going to take us to the back of the left side. Then we're going to loop to the back left. Looping across the opposite side to the right. To the left. That takes us to the right backside, rotating. So we have that crossing the midline. So we go left, right, left rear side. And then we do the opposite. Right, left, rear right side. Big twist. Left, right, rear left side, twist, right, left, rear right side, smooth any breaks, fill in any gaps, rotate and breathe, healing the body, creating that infinite replication of your own DNA. Twist, fall, lift, and twist, lift, shift, and rotate around. Let's do a few more. Breathing easy. By now, there are no stagnations, no blocks, no breaks, no gaps. Everything is just smooth, moving energy. Last ones. And as we come around this loop, we open up in cleansing breath. Deep breath in and out. 45 right. Breathing in, gather. And out. 45 left. And out. 90 right. Ninety left. One more time out to the side. Gather the light. And pulling it down, melting over your body. At the bottom, raise a little wisdom, water of the kidney. At the heart, turn over and wash down that heart fire. One more time. So well done. Well, everyone, thank you for spending your Qigong practice with me today, moving a little Qi, smoothing out and healing your very own DNA. Thanks for watching.